Okay, so we're going to create our second walkthrough. We're going to be going up onto our first floor level. So what we need to do for this one is we need to actually open up the first floor level and have it beside the ground floor. So if we open up our first floor level, use the WT for window tile. So when we're actually placing our path for the walkthrough, we can't unfortunately just change up to our first floor level. So it's best to have both of the plans open at the same time so we're able to see where we are going. So we're going to go back up to the quick access and select the walkthrough. I'm going to start down here in the canteen and work my way out the door, around the trees, through the front entrance to the reception, into the meeting room, and stopping at the bottom of the stairs. So now I have a camera placed at the bottom of the stairs, and I now need to change my offset so I can land here at the half landing. So the ground to first floor level is 3 meters, so half that is 1500. Add that to the 1750 gives us the 3250. So now when I place my camera at the half landing, I know that I'm level. And now before I click again to be at the top of the stairs, I must change back to the 1750. And as well, I must change the offset from. So I must change my level over to first floor now. So although I'm still drawing it on the ground floor plan, it is actually being placed on the first floor. So now I'll watch my first floor plan and just see where I'm going. And that's my path. So I'm happy with my path. I'm going to green tick to finish. And now we have the same process as before. We'll go to edit walkthrough, revert back to camera 1, and adjust the rotation of each camera. Okay, so now when we're happy we've adjusted all of our cameras, again, we'll go back to frame 1, go back to edit walkthrough tab, select open walkthrough, and again, just adjust the crop. I'm going to increase the number of frames to 600 and press play. So when your walkthrough is complete, What you're able to do is you can, for the final stage, you can of course then turn on your shadows, your realistic visual style and so on. And you can then export it out and save it onto your common drive. So we go to File, Export. There's Images and Animations, and there is a walkthrough. As well, when you do your solar study as well, that's where you can export it, and those images are the renders that we've just done. So if you select the walkthrough, here you can adjust what frames you want to actually pull out of it. So you don't have to do every single frame. You can do just a small range, how many frames per second you want, and the format. So in here is your visual style. It's where you can go up to full render finish.